It takes a village to raise a child. Whether you're a parent, caregiver, aunt, kazi, koro, nan, the local bus driver, or the fish and chip shop owner, together we can help tamariki and whānau thrive. Tākai is a kaupapa that wraps around the awesome people who provide awhi for whānau of our littlest tamariki under 5. Through Raumi, Hononga, Ako and Putia to bring ideas to life, Tākai taps into the energy of the village, weaving threads of traditional storytelling with parenting in the modern world. And to make sure we're meeting the needs of whānau and the village who support them, we're working with communities across the motu to create new resources and opportunities to play, learn and grow together. Kia matua rautia, standing on the shoulders of many, we are a thriving village raising children together. We are Tākai.